Good morning, grade 6. Hope you're staying safe and healthy. Today, we'll talk about review, whether it's for a book, film, game, or a TV program. So, let's first know what is a review. A review is a kind of persuasive writing in which you offer your personal opinion as well as a short summary of the topic. To demonstrate how much you do know about a topic, you will need to support your points with valid reasons. Also, a review focuses on strengths and weaknesses, uses evidence to support ideas, and draws a conclusion saying whether something will be useful for or interesting to its audience and purpose. So, what is the purpose of writing a review? Why shall we write one? We write a review to tell the people what the topic is about and your opinion about it. So, okay, how can we write it? How to write a review? Of course, a review is written in paragraphs, and the first paragraph would be, of course, an introduction. In the introduction, we name the title of the book, or the game, or the film, or the TV program you chose to write about. We'll also write general information about it, author, artist, composer, a brief summary of the topic, issue, or thing. And why did you choose to write about it? And here's an example. At All Stars, we love the Live Safari series, and this latest edition offers another exciting visual experience for games and players. With Impala Safari, the title, and here in the previous paragraph we have this latest edition offers another exciting visual experience for games player is the reason for writing this review. And Impala Safari is the title of the game we're writing about. Players can control the experience of a herd of impala. There is the big male buck and the smaller females, not to mention the adorable fawns. There is also the hungry hyena who stalks the herd, taking down the young, the old, the injured, and the inattentive. And this is the general information with no details. The second paragraph would be a summary of what we're talking about. And in the summary, first, you state the main idea or the theme and provide examples to support your ideas. Then summarize the main events or the main ideas. Don't forget, don't give away the ending. This should be enough to tease the reader. You don't want to spoil it for him. For example, successful players will be those who take the time to go into the game's research facility to find out more about all the creatures, and this is the main idea of the game. Then we have the questions. How do impala stay one step ahead of the hyena? How do they keep their phones safe? Are hyenas really the stinking outcasts that stories make them out to be? Here, these three questions are used to interest the reader. The research facility enables players to make educated decisions and help the impala to survive the desert. The next paragraph would be your opinion, and in your opinion, you would write a paragraph giving your opinion about the topic. Don't forget to give details. For example, did you like it? Was it interesting? What is your favorite part? Do you have a least favorite part? What is your favorite character? And what connections can you find to your life? Don't forget to give evidence to support your opinion. For example, the exciting new guest mode allows 2 or more players to work together to outwit the hyena. This creates random and dynamic challenges to enrich the gameplay. There is the additional option of free downloads. These include videos of impala living in Africa, as well as commentary by safari rangers, who know how to help to keep these graceful creatures safe. The 2 underlined phrases are evidence for the writer's opinion. And then we have the choice of words like exciting, dynamic, free, mastered new threat, which shows the writer's opinion. And the following paragraph would be your recommendation. And in the recommendation, you have to explain who do you recommend it for, who would be interested in it. Also, you would give the book or whatever you're reviewing a rating from 1 star to 5 star. And you have to give examples for why you gave it the rating you did. Just like this. You have Impala Safari is outstanding simulation software for kids of all ages and would be a good buy for all the family. And here we have who would be interested. Those who are willing to learn as they play will be particularly successful, but all players can enjoy keeping these stunning little creatures safe. And this is a support for the viewer's opinion. And then we have the sentence. This game gets 5 stars, the highest award given by all stars, and the star rating that we were talking about. By this, we would end our review. And at the end of our review, we have to check if we have fulfilled all what was required, as we do with all the writings. And here comes the checklist, the review checklist. First, hook the reader with a strong first sentence. The first sentence can be an exclamatory sentence or a rhetorical question, or even a descriptive sentence, as long as it hooks the reader. State who it appeals to, or the audience. Give a summary without the ending, and again, without the ending. Use adjectives to describe the main ideas. Give opinion of the reviewer. Use sentences with because in them when giving your opinion. Always justify your opinion. And at the end, don't forget to mention the strengths and weaknesses. By this, we would end our review.